So I'll open the door and say, what? I open the, what you doing there? He says, well, it's my car. My name is on it.
No, Dad.
What?
That's cringy. We're not doing that.
What is cringy? It's perfect.
I'll just stand beside you here. I'll not be like, it's my car.
Yeah, you don't want to sit in it?
No.
Hello everyone, this is OB at OB Prestige Auto. We're here with Alice, my beautiful daughter. And why is she here? Well, because this is her car. As you can see, it's named after her. And the RWB is a car that I always wanted since a long time. So it was actually one of the first build that Haig did for us before even be working with us. He was working with somebody else, and he's the one that actually did this car. Obviously, we had to go and get and buy the donor car. This car was entirely yellow, and we actually called for the kit. With the kit comes our Japanese friend. I wanted to have something very different color-wise, the kind of blue that would really pop. Blue is one of my favorite colors, but on cars, it's hard to really make it happen, for it to stand out. So I asked to get lots of flake in the paint, and I'm telling you, the way that it came out is absolutely stunning. Obviously, what we did with this car is we modified the suspension, exhaust, we boosted and basically got some bigger turbos. You cannot believe how this car drives smoothly. I mean, even with the big wings and the big tires, this car is absolutely drivable. It's amazing and one of my favorite, and it's old school. Of course, it's stick. Everything is Alcantara. Everything was done and finished handmade. This is the kind of build that we do. This is my personal car. Is it for sale? Absolutely not. Well, you know, I guess everything is for sale. But this is a car that I really fancy. And hopefully one day, it will be my daughter's and she will basically enjoy it as much as I do. The seats, I mean, is all painted the same color as the rest of the car. We even have, oh yeah, some little roll bars inside, the same color of the car. We really went all out on the details. I like the cars to be done right. Everything should be in working condition and also be perfect. So while doing the car, we had the choice of different wings, and we really went all out with a huge wing. Some people like it, some people don't. Well, you know what, at the end of the day, I like it. That's what's important, and it's pretty cool. The engine bay is amazing, and as you can see, everything has been taken out, repainted, boosted, and in working condition. The exhaust has been redone entirely throughout the car. The wheels are just amazing. We're really trying to find out a color that would really pop with that blue, with that metallic blue, and the gold really stands out. You know what? I just love this car. It's a beauty, just like my daughter. Chop chop. Thank you guys, appreciate you following us. We have so much more stuff coming down. One of the things that I want to share with you that is being asked all the time is, how was I able to get where I am today? You know, lots of people think that I've been in the car business all my life, just flipping cars and being able to get where we are today. This is not the scenario. Car is, for me, a hobby. It was a great way to reward myself by working like 100 hours a week. So we got a few videos that we're gonna do for you guys and share it with you. My journey that actually brought me here today where we are, okay? Chop chop.